She's 14 years old, doesn't have a license to drive, but Chicago police have connected him to at least 10 carjackings and robberies over the last month.
CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey has the shocking details, including the fact that this kid has a long track record in juvenile court.
An off-duty officer carjacked Tuesday night in North Kenwood was just the last victim in a series of carjackings, robberies, and car thefts police say are connected to a 14-year-old boy. He was taken into custody yesterday after a brief chase by members of CPD's Vehicular Hijacking Task Force, the same task force that was out today near Wells in Chicago, posting flyers in car windows, alerting the community to the surge in carjackings.
Just want to make sure people, know what's going on. So
today in court, prosecutors laid out 5 felony counts against the boy, and prosecutors explained that he had already had 11 referrals to the juvenile court. He's currently pending sentencing in 3 possession of stolen motor vehicle and aggravated battery cases, and he's had 3 motions to revoke electronic monitoring filed against him, and 6 pending cases that their office is currently reviewing. The judge told him, look, you're 14, you have an opportunity to change the path you're on in life.
We've got to intervene with these kids, there's no question, and we've got to get them back in school.
Yesterday, Mayor Lori Lightfoot said she prefers proactive interventions to stronger sentences against minors who commit armed carjackings. CBS 2 legal analyst Irv Miller and former Cook County prosecutor
for this particular kid, there is no deterrence.
Told me there was a shift in the 1980s towards charging more juveniles who commit violent crimes as adults. But then in 2016, state law made it more difficult to transfer 15, 16, and 17-year-olds to adult court if charged with aggravating carjacking or armed robbery with a gun.
The pendulum's kind of got to be somewhere in the middle, and it's not just the criminal justice system that's the answer to this.
The teen's next court date is February 2nd. Also announced today, 2 14-year-old girls charged with carjacking a man in Lawndale yesterday. Police said they put him in a chokehold and forced him out of his car. In the loop, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.